Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful video. Today, we're breaking down how to use the Capital One Savor cashback card to maximize your rewards on everyday spending. If you're tired of letting your hard-earned money slip away, this card could be your new best friend. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is the Capital One Savor card? It's a no annual fee credit card designed for people who love dining out, grocery shopping, and enjoying entertainment. The star feature is its cashback rewards. You get an unlimited 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, eligible streaming services, and grocery stores. Plus, you'll earn 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars when you book through Capital One Travel. It's straightforward and perfect for everyday use. To get started, you'll need to apply for the card. Head over to the Capital One website or app and check your eligibility. Typically, you need to be at least 18 years old with a decent credit score. The application process is quick and easy. Just fill out your details, and you might get approved in minutes. Once you're in, activate your card and start using it right away. Now, earning cashback is super simple. Just use your Savor card for purchases in the bonus categories. For example, if you swipe it at your favorite coffee shop or movie theater, you'll automatically rack up that 3% back. Capital One tracks everything for you, so no manual entry required. Keep in mind, cashback is earned on the first $10,000 spent in select categories each year. Then it drops to 1%, but that's still better than most cards. When it comes to redeeming your rewards, Capital One makes it effortless. You can redeem your cashback as a statement credit to offset your bill, transfer it directly to your bank account, or even get it as a check. There's no minimum amount needed, so you can cash out whenever you want. Pro tip: check the Capital One app regularly for any bonus redemption offers. To make the most of your card, always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and focus on using it for its high reward categories. Avoid cash advances or balance transfers, as they don't earn rewards. Overall, the Capital One Savor card is a fantastic tool for savvy spenders. If you don't have one yet, apply today and start earning. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.